Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. Hutch. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, triple slides, LED exterior lighting, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, backup camera ready, automatic levelers, outside speakers, outside shower, solar power prep, heated enclosed underbelly, digital TV antenna, quad step entry, frameless windows, roof ladder, 3-door refrigerator, oven, 3-burner cooktop, over-the-range microwave, crown molding, LP leak detector, king-size bed, stainless steel kitchen appliances, rear living area, solid surface sink covers, bathroom overhead storage, residential grade carpeting, high-rise faucet, kitchen island with double sink. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.